What is going on, you guys? Welcome to the video. So we've been working on the old Arma because we absolutely hammered this thing the last time we drove it. Split, yeah, it was just, this whole rear diff was just messed up. So we completely tore this thing apart. We tried filming it all for you guys, but our mic took a dump. So there's literally, yeah, you can't hear anything. So we're just scrapping all that footage, unfortunately. It was all boring anyways. I don't want to watch that crap. But we got the new M2C, bigger drive shafts. We did a full stainless bolt kit, so you can see, because all the bolts on this thing were just completely rusted out. We put new bearings. We put 500K diff fluid in there, so I'm really curious to see how that's going to work. But we also got some special sauces right in here. The hinge pin holder for the arms, and also egged out the hole. So we went ahead and picked up these M2C upgraded ones. So we're going to go and throw these bad boys on too. But first, let's open our package. Sick. Oh, those are beautiful. It's clean. I like this colorway I did. It's like a gunmetal. This is like almost $100 in parts just right here. This is how crazy expensive these things are. And we got the M2Cs to go with it. Let's throw this stuff on. Look at that absolute beauty. Fits just like a glove. Those things are magnificent. Let's go ahead and throw these bad boys on. Geez, all back together, all fully assembled. Looking just absolutely fantastic. I'm really digging these Integy arms. I think these will be a great addition, because ours were rusted as heck. We're gonna go and freaking charge up the batteries, throw the wheels on this bad boy, and go smash and bash this thing. But first, like always, gotta hit you with that montage. These rods, man, this chassis has got to be bent in some way, because I could not freaking get this bottom one on. I had to pull the bolts out of the shock tower, pop the shock tower up and get it in there, and then put it all back together. But yeah, she's all back together, looking absolutely just gorgeous. We're at our first location. Probably be here for like 5 minutes. It's just a little hill spot that I think is kind of dope. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and rip this thing. Hopefully it doesn't break, because I'm really tired. I just spent $300 just to fix the whole rear end of this thing. So these things are not cheap. Keep that in mind. Their price tag isn't that hefty. It's like $970, or the X-Max like $1,100. But the parts for these things are insanely expensive. So keep that in mind. But let's go rip this thing. You don't need this. I think this thing's weaker than the X-Max. Sure does break a lot. Yeah, she's pretty toasted. So we're gonna go ahead and fix this thing for the second time in this video. We just picked up these RPM arms for it, so hopefully we won't have any issues with breaking this thing. But yeah, we're just gonna throw these on real quick. No need to film it, so let's just do it. New RPM A-arms ready to rip. These things were tight, and I mean tight. Everything went on these things super tight. It looks like we got some more ground clearance, so that's kind of sick. gonna wrap up the video on the Arma KRATON 8S rebuild slash bash again. This thing, I gotta give it to it. It is so fun to drive. The thing hucks beautifully, clears straight motocross jumps like it's nothing. But so far it has broken quite a bit. I mean, we're already $350 deep in mods, and we haven't even done that much, but it is a blast to drive. I don't know which I like more, the KRATON or the X-Max. I personally think the X-Maxes look better. They're a lot easier to work on, but I just don't have as much time with the Arma as I do with the X-Max, so I don't think it's too fair of a comparison. This thing's definitely bigger. It definitely sounds like more of like a jalopy because the gears are open, whereas the diff is closed on this. But I mean, the thing definitely drives insane. It is a blast to drive. So thanks for watching. Please smash the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.